Guys, we found our first item! Hey, Becker Trekkers! Today we are at Nickelbaum Lake to do some metal detecting. Let's see what we can find.
Let's go!
So guys, let me just tell you how this thing works. So if there's a like, then it means it's just junk. But I mean, it's still something, but if it goes beep, beep, that's what we want. That is real stuff, real nice.
Higher metal content, right? Okay, Becker Trekkers, let's have a look at what we can find.
Oh. They're finding buried treasure! Are you finding treasure?
Find out on the beach. Some money, some rings,
Mommy, come.
Did you find a treasure?
No.
No? Not yet?
Maybe you can see.
Oh, here goes Matea. She might be a little more in luck with some treasures.
Dig it up! Dig it up! Oh, there.
that's the shovel.
We're foiled again. Nothing.
Come on. Can you try it?
Something's there. Okay, just wait.
Or just a hidden piece.
Right there. Let's go. No, thank you. Thank you. A little harder than it looks, hey?
That's what we found.
What is it?
I think
Is that a button?
Yeah. Metal button.
That's pretty.
Oh, it's a battery.
Oh, wait.
No,
It's a battery.
it's a battery. Let's see.
Like a watch battery.
We found a watch battery. Woohoo! Our first find.
Good job. Matea, you dug it up.
That was a hard one to find.
Let's see, guys. Battery.
It's a battery.
Now we have to fill these holes back in, bud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just so somebody doesn't trip. Look at that. Our first find, a watch battery.
Let's try the other one.
All right.
Try the other one.
This one, do you think there's something there?
It did go off. Maybe we'll find the watch.
The battery. Wow, that was pretty sensitive though, to find this little thing in a whole beach here.
Fill the hole in. And that other one.
Wow, Matea's got the first find.
There, you wonder, hey?
I don't know. First find of the day for Matea. Cool. Maybe. We got our work crew right here. Staking out the claim. Taking out
do some
the
digging.
patch. What'd you find?
Found a magnet.
Woohoo! That's fun. All right. Okay.
Here, bud. Bring it. Oh, she found something. Got it?
Right here.
Something right there. Let's see.
Hey, we did find something.
Let's see. Guys, it says subscribe and like. What?
Like and subscribe.
Whoa!
Oh, wow.
What a find!
You guys must do that, I guess. Let's see what. Go, look closely, guys. This is legit. Like, subscribe.
Wow.
Wow.
Must be a sign.
Let's see. We need to keep this. Let's see.
I thought she really found something. I didn't see her bird yet. Alright guys, we're a quarter over here. Not finding too many things, so I'll set one up. Right over here. This looks like a good spot. Try over here, Matea. This looks like it was a heavily populated area at one time. Try over. Let's see, Matea. Oh! Try here. Here, take that detector. See?
Whoa, Anton, come here. Come with the shovel. There's something beeping.
Right there.
Anton, here, come close to Daddy.
7 inches.
Come right here with the shovel.
Oh, hey!
What is that?
Watch.
There's a coin. Let's see, it's a quarter.
What is it? Where's it from? Where's it from?
Is there a moose on there?
No, there's like a, let's see. There's like a hawk.
A hawk.
A bird.
Oh.
United States.
United States, what? It's quarter.
Let's see.
U.S. quarter.
Yeah, let's see. United States. Does it have the date? 1998.
Whoa.
Wait.
Right here. Right there.
Oh.
Come on, I'll do it.
You want me to do it?
Okay, try it now again.
How far? What does the number say on that?
Oh. Yeah, I did.
Oh, it's here. It's right here.
I heard you hit it.
Might be with the equipment here. It's there, isn't it? Oh, here we go.
Here, look at it.
What is it?
Oh, it's a tent peg. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Oh, that's funny.
Tent peg!
Let's see.
Hey, look at that.
Let's see.
I can't metal detect now because it detects the steel rod in my leg. I have an arthrodesis where I have a rod from my heel up to below my shin, and I didn't even realize that it was setting off the metal detector. I guess my career is over.
Let's try this like nothing.
Nothing.
Just like, oh.
Yeah, there it is.
Hi, Becker Trekkers. Thanks for tuning in with us with metal detecting. We had so much fun. We didn't find that much, but it was worth it.
A tent peg, some tin foil, an American quarter, a watch battery, a magnet, and what looks like a piece of iron ore, which the detector picked it up.
And have fun with this balloon too.
Did you have fun
Yay.
today?
With this balloon too.
Good job,
Oh,
Becker
good.
Trekkers.
Let's take